Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple chicken curry recipe. The vegetables required are onion, green chilies and finely chopped curry leaves. A small tomato for making puree. Then ingredients required for marination: salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, jeera powder, garam masala, lemon juice and curd. Mix all the spices and marinate chicken for 45 minutes. Now take pan or kadai and add required amount of cooking oil. Then add finely chopped onion and fry the onions. Then later add green chilies and curry leaves to it. Once the vegetables are fried, then add salt, turmeric powder and red chili powder. You can use Kashmiri chili powder for color. You can add ginger garlic paste as well. After a minute, add tomato puree directly to the pan. Mix them thoroughly. After 2 minutes, add marinated chicken to the pan. Now add a little bit of water. Now close the kadai with the help of lid and keep the flame on low position. Allow it for 5 to 8 minutes to cook. Garnish the chicken with finely chopped coriander leaves. Dish out, serve the chicken with rice or with chapati. If you like the content, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.